Hi everyone, my name is Colleen. I am a career strategist and leadership coach. I wanted to answer a number of questions in this video to help you get a better sense of who I am. So first, how did I become interested in coaching? Well, when I was 25, I was very fortunate to find my own career and life coach. Her name was Judy, and I worked with her for a number of years. And Judy really provided support as well as help in understanding myself. So in working with Judy, I learned that I am an HSP, a highly sensitive person. 20% of the population tends to identify as an HSP. And this means that I have depth in processing sensory information. I'm really fascinated by exploring my own internal reality as well as the internal reality of others, which makes coaching ideal for me. And what I would say too, learning that I'm an HSP really helped set me up for coaching because I bring a high level of conscientiousness and empathy and intuition to each coaching session. How did I become a coach? Well, the reason is I had zero options. And let me explain more. So during the Great Recession, I found myself unemployed. I had just finished graduate school and the stock market was crashing. There were mass layoffs. The unemployment rate exceeded 10%. And I thought, well, it's time to dream big and figure out, if I could do anything, do it for free because I loved it so much, what would I do? And coaching was the answer. I vividly remember sitting in a coffee shop in Seattle and having this epiphany that I really wanted to become a coach and start my own business. So that day I went home and I started working on a website. Even though I had never created a website, I really had no idea what I was doing. I look back on that time and think there was so much adversity being unemployed for a long year. But out of that time, there was a gift in that I realized I love helping to support people reach their potential and achieve their goals. What is my professional background? I have spent over 10 years working in corporate HR within the tech industry. Started out at Microsoft and then I joined Google. And the reason I love HR so much is because I really want to help unleash the potential in people to positively impact business. What types of coaching do I offer? I offer both tactical coaching as well as transformational coaching. From a tactical perspective, clients are most interested in help with a job search, especially if they have been laid off. And I encourage clients to think about their job search like a project manager would. So adding a lot of structure to their process, making sure they're really being thoughtful in how they approach their job search in order to land a job that they really like or ideally they love. From a transformational perspective, I work with clients who are interested in exploring questions such as, how do I uncover my purpose in life? How do I more fully step into who I am? And how do I challenge these stories that often are incorrect, that are really holding me back from moving forward? What do I love about coaching? Everything. And I really mean that. Coaching is not all rainbows and unicorns and flying hearts. I will be honest, there are times when I screw up and I say the wrong thing. There are times when clients may not be open to feedback or be interested in changing. But for the most part, I feel so humbled and honored to help people take action, move forward, and create positive change in their lives. So I'm going to end this video with one of my favorite quotes from Socrates, which is this: "An unexamined life is not worth living." So if you are interested in examining your life or simply you would like help with your job search, feel free to reach out. I would love to hear from you. If you would like to be a part of a really positive community on YouTube, hit subscribe, and I look forward to having you along on the journey. Thanks so much.